What have we learned in this module? Well, we certainly learned that undo data is critical for us in many ways. The three main functions of undo data in Oracle Database 12c are rollback from uncommitted transactions, read consistency, and flashback operations. Simple as that. We also learned that Oracle manages most of these undo settings by default, but as always, you can take over to any degree that you're comfortable. I would say the retention interval initialization parameter is the most important one for you to actually set yourself and monitor that over time. Speaking of monitoring, we have the AWR, or Automatic Workload Repository, that refers to the engine, or maybe collection of engines would be more appropriate, within Oracle that takes care of this self-governing, self-monitoring framework. Oracle will make suggestions and send us alerts if we start to run low on space. Sometimes I wonder if Oracle could even make me a cup of espresso in the morning, but that's another discussion for another time. Hey, we've reached the end of this first course on Oracle Fundamentals. I want to thank you so much for hanging in. I hope that this course has been illuminating for you and that you're more comfortable with Oracle. The next step in this process, if you're on the learning track here at Pluralsight, would be to check out my course on Oracle Database 12c installation and upgrade. In that course, as you would expect, we're going to focus on how to bring Oracle online from scratch. We'll learn about setting up Oracle, DB Express, and also other things. And by other things, I mean cloud control, automatic storage management, or ASM, and maybe we'll flirt around with Real Application Cluster, or RAC technology. In the meantime, thanks again, and take care.